Today we're going to talk about the rule of thirds. Yep, it's part of the composition. It's for your macro lovers. So the rule of thirds is when you go ahead and split up your actual frame into thirds, and you do it vertically and horizontally. And within these intersections, the boxes or the areas within that is the equal size. Plus, if you put your subject in the middle of those four areas, you'll have an amazing composition. Think about your horizontal and vertical lines, because if you place your main subject there, it'll look good. It's easy for landscape. We just put it on horizon, or a semi macro, throw it in there. You've got a really good bug, put it in the rule of thirds. But when you start getting something like this where it's really busy, where do you go? First, you'll look at your subject everywhere in detail. I love this flower. This one really float my boat. So I got the Cam Ranger, set it up. When I get macro, I love my focusing rail. So I set up the flowers, and yep, this is the part that I was really excited about. That was my rule of thirds, but I had to play with the light because it was a little hard. But I really said to myself, this is where I want to focus. How can I get this? This is really important to me, but it's still a mess. So I'll do some post-processing. That's what I wanted to tell you guys. Post-processing rocks. It really helps you when you want to get the subject in the rule of thirds, because the rule of thirds works really awesome. If any of you guys know why, let us know down in the comments. And as you can see, on post-processing, it's already starting to look better. Well, not only did I like the rule of thirds in a horizontal, I decided let's go even farther and do the vertical. And I even made some of the outside area kind of looking dark. As much as I loved the horizontal, I still wasn't feeling the impact of what I wanted you guys to really focus on, and that was the two little areas right in there. If you want to see more fun learning tips, just go down below and click and check out all the different ways that you can make your images really pop. Thank you so much for being here. Have a great day. Cheers.